Good morning. This morning I wanted to film for you a little get ready with me video. I'm so sorry if I sound super sick. It's because I'm super sick. This is just like a really simple, very natural looking routine. When I feel awful, it's just nice to take some time to make myself look put together. I'm going to share with you all of my Green Beauty natural makeup products, and hopefully you like it. I have already applied my BB cream. This is the Mineral Fusion Perfecting Mineral Beauty Balm, the satin finish, and it's for all skin tones. I will say that saying it's for all skin tones is kind of a lie. I don't think it's for people with really dark skin, and they don't really have like a wide range of colors for their BB cream, so that's the one downside. I'm going to go in with this Mineral Fusion Concealer. Sorry, I have to lean down a bit. But it's like a dual concealer, so it has like two different colors, which is really nice because then you can do a good color match. I use the neutral one. Now I'm going in with Mineral Fusion's Press Base Foundation in Olive. I wish you guys could see that I'm actually squatting right now, so I'm getting a little bit of a workout in. So yeah, here's the color. Just get like a big fluffy brush. This is by XOXO. It doesn't say what brush it is, but you can kind of see what it looks like. And I slightly dust that on my face. And this just kind of mattifies my face. I used to get like really bad oil forehead years ago, like a few years ago, and then since cleaning up my diet and switching to like natural products on my face, like skincare and all that, it's kind of completely fixed itself. Next I'm going in with this 3-in-1 color stick by Mineral Fusion again. It's in the color Rosette, and I will just apply this to my lids, my cheekbones, and actually I'm not going to put it on my lips. Just rub that in. Next I'm going in with more Mineral Fusion. This is the Luster palette. This is their like bronzer highlighter duo. I really like that Mineral Fusion does these type of duos because I feel like you're getting like more product for the price, or you're getting like more versatile product for the price. Sorry, you just squat more. So I will just add this all over my face in the areas that I want to look like I got some color. And then I'm going to go in with this little highlighter brush and get that top shade right there. Just kind of add it to the tops of my cheekbones, tops of my brows. Sorry. Tops of my brows, my nose. Now that I have done all of my like face powdering stuff, I'm going to do my brows. So the first thing I do is I just brush them out. And then this is my little angled brush that I use for my brows. I believe it's by Sonia Kashuk, which is like a brand at Target. And then I'm going in with my 100% pure medium brown. I kind of start in the middle when I do my brows. Because I don't want this area to be super dark and saturated with color. And I always start on this side because this is the side where I have a scar, so I don't grow hair right in this area. Okay. And then once I've kind of distributed the product all in this region, I'll move over to this beginning, the start of my brow. This brow is always a little bit more difficult just because it has that like hole in it. So I feel like I'm kind of defining the shape, but they look pretty similar. I don't know if they're twins. They're more like sisters. Maybe even cousins. I don't know. I'm not a perfectionist when it comes to makeup, so I just brush out the product a little bit so it doesn't look too like overly done. Next thing I do, guys, is like curl my eyelashes. Second to last, I'm going in with this volumizing mascara by, can you guess, Mineral Fusion. I actually like it. I feel like it doesn't flake terribly by the end of the day. There's other natural minded mascaras that I've tried that have been really bad, so this is like a good natural mascara. You can see that. See the difference. Wow, my lip tints are currently missing. I don't know if my daughter could have had anything to do with it because she likes to get into my makeup, so I'm gonna have to look around the house for it. I'm just gonna use their chapstick. This is in the, their lipstick. I'm gonna use Mineral Fusion's lipstick. This is in the color Peony. It's kind of like a bright red. I don't know how to describe it, but it's really pretty. I like it a lot. Next thing I do is take down my hair, choose it out. I'll play with my curls a bit more, but this is kind of what I go for when I'm going to work or even if I'm watching my daughter. Yeah, I really like this. It's a really simple look, really easy. It takes me a very short amount of time and I look pulled together, especially when I add just a pop of color on my lips. Once again, I apologize for my terrible voice. My voice is not always going to sound like this, but if you guys like this, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.